Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's Tuesday, and Tuesday is my art journaling day. It's that time I take a little time to myself, come down to my craft room, and begin to put together a little spread. Thank you for joining me today. I'll give you a little bit of time to get your stuff out so that you can art journal along with me. My process is that I usually be thinking of something during the week that kind of intrigues me or, that I'm thinking about and I go, how do I put that on paper? How do I do that? So this week I was thinking about my mom and her friends and how they all went to bingo. And they would have their bingo night where her and the ladies would go to I think it was the local church or somewhere like that, or a rec center or somewhere. It's been such a long time that I don't actually remember where they went. But they went to a place where her and her girlfriends played bingo. So it must have been at a rec center or something like that. I don't think it was like at a church. Let's not put that on the church, right? So they went to play bingo. And, we kids would be at home with a sitter or somebody like that, or with my brother, because I think he was old enough. I don't remember how our part actually worked. But I just remember Mom bingoing it up and having a good time doing that with her friends. That they would get together and have a good time, and I think they would eat some snacks and maybe have a couple of beers or something like that. But, it was her time. It was her time during that, period where she could go and enjoy herself with her friends. And it's kind of like, it was kind of a fun thing because she was always so happy about it. We had our dinner, we came home and dinner was ready for us and we ate our dinner and everything like that. And Mom would go, she would go, oh, you know what? I gotta go. It's bingo. I've gotta go because it's bingo night. And we go, oh, okay, Mom. And she would go, you guys, eat your dinner, get yourselves ready because it's bingo night. And I could just imagine them bingoing it or whatever it was. I-29, put your little chip on I-29. B66. God, no, B66 or whatever. I've never actually gone to a bingo place and played bingo, but it was a highlight for them. And I don't know if people still play bingo and if there's still a time where everybody gets together and still play bingo like that and still have that special time where the friends get together and bingo is the highlight of what they're doing. So I don't know about that, but I just know that was a good time for my mom, and that was my thought during the week of what I wanted to do when it came down to my spread for the week. That I wanted to do something with bingo. And of course, leave it to me, went searching through all of my ephemera, and what did I find? Bingo, a bingo card. And I said, oh my goodness, there's bingo cards in my ephemera. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for my spread. So when you think of what you're gonna do during the week when you get ready to do your spreads and your books, kind of do something that has think of something that has a bit of meaning for you so that when you look at it, you get a good smile out of it. You're not having a book of just random stuff where you just kind of glued down some stuff and like that. Think of stuff that was fun for you and your life. So when you look back on your book, that there was something special about it. That when you looked at it, you was like, oh man, that's when I think about my mom playing bingo, and she used to play bingo and she had a little casual outfit that she would put on And this one's a little bit more dimensional than my usual ones. So she would put on her little outfit, and she and her friends would bingo. You know, at the times now, I don't know if people get together. We used to get together. We didn't bingo. How many people actually played, what's that word? We used to play bunco. That's what we played. We didn't bingo, we buncoed. So we would get together and go to a friend's house and play bunco. And it would go around different weeks to, you know, everybody's house and stuff like that. You prepare a nice, you know, finger foods and some other stuff, so you and your, you know, neighbors, friends, or whoever you were buncoing with could go and play bunco. And that's how that went. You know, let's see if I could put a little thing on it. So that's what we did back then. And that was just a lot of fun. A lot of fun doing that. So I don't know what people do now. Sorry there, I had to pause for a second, got a telephone call. Okay, so what I was saying is bingo was their thing. And in order to do what they did and have fun like they did is how they did their bingo thing. And I try to think of what do people have today that's similar to that, because, you know, with the advent of that virus that went through, people are just beginning to get back into little groups and do stuff again. So we have to see. Would be nice if people had things like that were going on again, that kept them tied to their community and stuff like that and their friendships. Let's put this down. I thought this was cool. I painted it black. I added a little black to it. And because I write on this side, I need a little space to journal. So I want to put that right there like that. And I want to put a couple of these here. I want to put a B. I'm going to put the B. I'm going to put the G. Give it a little I. Give it a little O. Give me a little N. Wait right there, Sophie. Sophie's my dog, and she's right here. She wants me to let her go outside. So I'm going to have to do that. All right. There's my spread. Tell me what you think for the week. Tell me what you think. And also, if you're going to if you're going to art journal with me, what was your theme for the week? And if you're not going to art journal with me this week, tell me what kind of theme you would think of for yourself for next week. And I'd love to hear about that. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my spread. You know what? I think I'm going to have to put something on there, because I think those are too bright. They're too bright. I like them, but they're a little bright. Let me tone them down a little bit. Tone them down a little bit. Give them a little down tone. They're kind of bright. I think I just brightened them up. Well, anyway, let me leave those things alone and let me go. I'll talk to you all in the next video. Thanks for joining me. Hope you are enjoying my art journal series here. I'll talk to you all in the next video. Remember to be the reason somebody smiles, and I'll see you later. Bye now.